Hey guys, so we are doing D.33 for IXL now. So I'm going into my assignment, clicking on the second one, having it come up, double checking that my name is in that top right corner. Remember, randomly generated problems, so yours are gonna look different than mine. All right, so this is just multiplying two-digit number, or a larger number by a two-digit number. Notice how it doesn't give you a ton of room to write all your steps. So you need to write this on a separate sheet of paper to get them correct. I'll move this over. And I'm gonna do it similar to how we do it in school. So saying it all out loud. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Add, and then we go through. So 2, 8, 12, so write the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Now I'm looking over it for just a hot second before I type it in because I want to make sure I didn't make any careless mistakes. So the first thing that I check for is, do I have my first set right? So 2, yep, cool. Then, do I have my 0? That 0 is something super common to miss. And then I'm just going to quickly check and make sure I added everything correctly. Okay, so it looks good. So I'm ready to enter it in. So 7, oh, got to click on it. 7, 2, 8, 2, and then I double check that I typed it in right because you just saw I almost typed it in wrong. All right. So going through this one again, 349 times 10. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 0. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. Ooh, almost over 5. 1 times 3 is 3. Add 0, 9, 4, 3. Once again, check that my top numbers are correct. Check that I have my 0 and check that my adding is correct. Perfect. So 3, 4, 9, 0. That one we could have also done a chop and drop for, but I wanted to make sure I had my steps correct to go through and do it. So I have 110 times 94. Remember, I start with the bottom number because I'm multiplying, so that's why I say that bottom number first. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So how we would do this in school, 4 times 0 is 0, write the 0. 4 times 1 is 4, write the 4. 4 times 1 is 4, write the 4. 0. 9 times 0 is 0, write the 0. 9 times 1 is 9, write the 9. 9 times 1 is 9, write the 9, add. And then I have you guys do the adding on your own because you're kind of amazing at it by this point. I mean, you are in 4th grade. So double checking, did I get my first one right? Okay. Do I have my 0? And did I add correctly? Okay. Remember, you don't have to include your comma. We'll do one more together. 220 times 32. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. Write the 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Write the 4. 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Add 0, 4, 10, 7. Now I check. Yeah, good there. Got my 0 and got my addition correct. So I have 7040, and we're good to go. Keep with those steps and double check always that you put in that 0, and you will do just fine on these skills today. All right, bye guys.